Like we do, you can add release paper or release film on the bottom, on the surface of the rollers like this, because there's glue with the material, so this is for easy to peel it off. And for here, just like the drawing I sent you, if you want to make it cut through, you can stick a layer or a lap of paper or tape, and then the material will be cut through. So for the width is only 2 millimeters, so it is easy to break. In China, in our Chinese customer, it will also has the situation. So you need to control the tension. Maybe after a period of time, you will be get skilled. So this is the wool felt, and you can use a clip to hold it like this. So now the material is with glue. So this is for remove the glue.